Welcome to Roam Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with the product. In this video, we're taking a look at Sage, specifically their US website found at sage.com/en-us. Sage offers a wide range of software solutions designed to help businesses manage their finances, operations, and people. From accounting and payroll to CRM and HR, their platform aims to streamline crucial processes and provide valuable insights. While their website's homepage presents a clean and modern design, navigating to specific products and services can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming due to the sheer breadth of their offerings. It's clear they cater to a diverse clientele, from small startups to large enterprises, which contributes to the complexity of their site's organization. Exploring Sage's website, you'll find resources like customer case studies, white papers, and blog articles that offer further information about their products and industry best practices. They also highlight their commitment to customer support, providing various contact channels and a robust online help center. It's worth noting that depending on your specific business needs, navigating their extensive portfolio might require some dedicated exploration to pinpoint the right solution. This can be both a benefit and a drawback, as the comprehensive nature of their offerings ensures a solution likely exists, but finding the perfect fit might require some digging. It's advisable to utilize their search function and filtering options to narrow down the choices based on industry, company size, or specific software requirements. For those considering Sage, investing some time exploring their website and engaging with their resources is definitely recommended. This will allow you to gain a better understanding of their capabilities and assess whether their solutions align with your business objectives. Don't hesitate to reach out to their sales team directly for personalized guidance and to discuss your specific requirements in more detail. They can help navigate the complexity of their product offerings and guide you towards the most appropriate solutions for your unique situation. While the website presents a comprehensive overview, a direct conversation can often be the most efficient way to determine if Sage is the right fit for your business needs.